Hey guys, I'm down here on the grass today and we're going to do a durability test with the AirPhysio device. Starting with the pitching wedge at about 20% power, 50%, and then all the way up to a full swing. See if this device will break. All right, so we're going to tee it up. See if we can place it on the tee there. That looks good. We're going to hit it from this direction. See how it goes. So we've just done the 20% shot with the pitching wedge, and if you can see, absolutely no damage at all. Now we're going to go for 50%. Honestly, no damage at all. It's done the 20, it's beat the 50. Can it beat the full swing with the pitching wedge? You're about to find out. We've just hit it 100% and there is no damage. It's got a little flat spot here. We're actually going to see if the device still works after a full swing. And if you can hear that, you know the device is still working. The device has beaten the pitching wedge, so we're going to give it a try with the driver. And as you can see, the driver did break the lid of the device, but the body is still fully intact.